Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be making oven roasted olive oil cauliflower. So if you would like to learn how, stay tuned. All right, so I have my cauliflower. I'm gonna go ahead and trim off the end. That's just gonna help release those full big pieces of the cauliflower. And then once I have that, I'm just gonna cut them into the sizes that I want. I'm gonna go ahead and add my olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, oregano. I also have my salt and pepper. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that all together. You can go ahead and add some more olive oil if you need to. I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons. Okay, so once I have all the seasonings on, I'm gonna go ahead and add the cauliflower to my baking sheet. Spread it out evenly. All right, so I went ahead and added my tomatoes. I just chopped them in half. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven on 430 degrees for about 20 minutes. It looks like it's nice and roasted. And garnish it with some parsley. And voila. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also stay tuned for more recipes.